And welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you an amazing roasted asparagus recipe. What you'll need is asparagus, butter, Parmesan cheese. I have shredded, but also grated would be fine. And also, I have red pepper flake, salt and pepper. Now let's get to it. Okay, we have our asparagus. What I like to do is leave the elastics on. What you're going to do is cut off an inch from the stem, from the end of the stem. So this you could just toss away and get rid of. Now the rest, you could just take off one of the bands. I have one, the other one right here just to help hold it. And what I like to do is cut it on an angle. So you got a nice cut. Now this is going to be a lot easier to eat when you cut it like so. And how I cut, now you can take the rubber band off, but when you cut it, I leave about 1.5 inches, and you want it about that length. And I like to mix it in, and next we're going to add it to our water and cook it off till it's almost al dente, just a little less than al dente, so when we roast it off, it'll be perfectly cooked. Okay, I have boiling water right here. You want to salt it. Now you're going to add the asparagus. So I'm just going to add it like so. Oh, like that. And we're going to cook it until it's almost al dente. It's going to be a little soft. Okay, I have 2 ounces of butter melting right now. And soon I am going to add our crushed red pepper to our melted butter, just to give it a little bit of heat to our butter. So just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. This part, our butter is done. I'm going to take that off. Okay, our asparagus is getting tender. Okay, it just got to that point where it's just about al dente. So I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to strain it. Okay, we have our asparagus right here. Going to add our butter. Going to add our black pepper. Also, going to add our Parmesan cheese and a little bit of salt. Going to mix it up. Now we're going to add it to our pan, our sheet tray. Okay, we have our asparagus right here. I'm going to add it to our oven. It's at 350 degrees. We're going to cook it off for 10 minutes until it's nice and roasted. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check on our roasted asparagus. Yeah, that's it. Okay, add it to it. All right. That's really good. And if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.